Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Galaxy S26 Ultra new release details are revealed, and Samsung confirms powerful upgrades. The most futuristic and most exciting flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra series lineup launch date, specifications, price, and all other leaks are revealed. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. As everyone knows, Samsung is now gearing up to introduce its next generation Galaxy S series devices early next year. The Samsung S26 series lineup may include the Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26 Basic model. All these three variants will reportedly get better displays, powerful processors, a new design, and an upgraded camera. As for the Galaxy S26 series phone specifications, as per the latest reports, Samsung is said to offer a new 2nm Exynos 2600 chipset with the Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Plus devices, while the Samsung S26 Ultra is said to offer the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. All these devices will come with improved AMOLED panels, and improved peak brightness and refresh rate. The Galaxy S26 is said to be powered by a 4300 mAh battery, while the S26 Plus could get a 4900 mAh battery, and the premium flagship Galaxy S26 Ultra could be powered by a 5200 mAh battery capacity, with 60 watts fast charging. As for cameras, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra could feature a new and improved 200 megapixel main camera sensor, along with triple 50 megapixel cameras. Both Samsung S26 and S26 Plus could get triple camera lenses. It may include a 50 megapixel main camera, with a new ISOCELL S5K sensor, 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and 12 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. As per the latest reports, and are believed to be true, the new upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 series lineup could launch on February 25th, at the Galaxy Unpacked 2026 event, in San Francisco. As for the smartphone prices, as per the rumor mill, the new Galaxy S26 could be priced at around $916 while the Galaxy S26 Plus could be priced at around $1,100. The premium flagship Samsung S26 Ultra could be priced at around $1,500 in the United States market. How Samsung is changing everything in its future flagships. Share your thoughts in the comments section. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.